Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the sum function. Now, there's different ways of doing this. When you want to add numbers together, obviously we start with the equal sign. We click on the first cell, plus the second cell, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. And it gives us this. This is very long-winded. We don't want to do this. And this is not the correct formula to do when you're adding more than two cells. Two cells, yeah, that's fine. Any more? No. This is the incorrect formula. We want to do a function. So we want our answers here. Step one, on the home tab, you look for either this symbol or you look for the word auto sum. It gives you here sum, average, count numbers, max, min. I'll go over these four in another video, but we're just focusing on sum. Now click on this. Equals sum, open bracket, it gives us the range of cells. So from D2 to D8, these are the cells we want to look into and we want to add all of the values together. We press enter, it gives us our answer. You can either click on auto sum, select the cells if it's the incorrect cell range, select the cells you want to add together, press enter, or if you cannot see that symbol, if you type equals SUM, open bracket, it'll end up going into capital letters for you, and then you highlight the cells you want to add together, close bracket, enter, it gives you the formulas. If we go to formulas, show formulas, it shows all of the formulas. So we've got, obviously from the other video, equals one cell multiplied by another cell. We've got equals sum at the bottom that adds up the total for all of these columns. Just going to go through that again. So the amount of total owed, go to the home tab, auto sum. Yes, check that these are the cells we want to add together, press enter. I'm just going to quickly just do this one, total bill, yes. And instead of clicking on the auto sum or typing it, I can simply just go to the bottom right, drag across, just double check, yes, these are the cells that I want to look into. That is how you use the equal sum function.